Adding a back button in Qualtrics allows survey respondents to navigate to previous questions or sections, which can improve their overall experience. Here's how to enable the back button. Log into Qualtrics. Access your Qualtrics account by visiting Qualtrics and logging in with your credentials. Open your survey. From the dashboard, select the survey where you want to enable the back button and open it in the survey editor. Go to Survey Options. Click on the Survey Options button, typically found in the top right corner of the survey editor. This is where you can configure various settings for your survey. Enable the back button. In the Survey Options menu, look for the section labeled Survey Experience. Here you will find the option to enable the back button. Check the box next to back button to turn it on. Customize settings. Some surveys might benefit from customized behavior for the back button. For instance, you can specify whether respondents can go back to previous blocks or just within the same block. Adjust these settings as needed. Save changes. After enabling the back button, click Save to apply the changes. Preview your survey. Use the preview feature to test the back button functionality. Navigate through the survey to ensure the back button works as expected.